Okay.
Okay, we're really excited for Friday. It's Ice Talks, and we've sent another ice pack out for everyone, which we're very excited. I think it's going mad on social media. So last week when I was talking at M&IT, I said make sure your event pack has a purpose, and I'll show you the purpose to this one. Anyway, so if we look here, it's got a lovely message on be upstanding, and there's a big psychology that if you stand, you have more energy. I'm going to open up my wonderful ice pack, and there's lots of great goodies in there. And thank you DRPG and JLA for all your support. And if I then basically take that out, go like this with my pack, make sure to close it. I'm then going to put it on its side. Remember our message. I'm going to put my laptop on there, and I'm going to be upstanding. So for when we do our dice game on Friday, I want everyone doing the same thing. We've got to have energy. Anyway, have a great day.